Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change resolution on a Hisense TV. So Hisense TVs automatically adjust the resolution based on the input source, but you can optimize the display settings for the best quality. So here's how to do it. The first, check your current resolution. So it's most important that you must need to check the current resolution, that if it's right or wrong. Then press the info or settings button on your remote, then the current resolution should appear on screen. Then you will just find the second step here, so you can just follow the second step, that adjust aspect ratio or the picture size. So if the image looks stretched or cut off, change the aspect ratio. So for that you just need to press on the home button or the menu button on the remote, then navigate to settings, then go to the pictures, then you will find the aspect ratio option, where you will find these four type of aspect ratio that you can choose from this available option. Like the first one is auto. This is actually best for most content, and another one is 16:9, that is standard widescreen, or 4:3 for older TV shows and classic contents, and zoom is only for enlarges the images, may crop edges. So you can just avoid this one, the zoom, or the 4:3 also, if you are watching a full HD content or the modern content on your TV. So the third step is change resolution from external devices. Since Hisense TVs adjust resolution based on the input source, so you may need to adjust settings on your connected devices. Like if you are connected with your cable box or the satellite receiver, then you have to go to the settings and then go to the display resolution, and then you will find the resolution that is available for your TV. So you just need to select the highest one. It could be 1080p or the 4K. 4K means 21 and 60p. So you can just tap on 2160p to get the 4K resolution if your device support it. Now the gaming console or the like PS5 or Xbox or etc. So navigate to display settings and select the highest available resolution. So if you are using a streaming device on your TV like Roku, Fire Stick or Apple TV, then you just adjust this resolution settings within the device display options. So if you just change the device display options resolution settings, then it will automatically change for your streaming devices also. Now the first step is enable HDMI enhanced mode for 4K models. If you have a 4K Hisense TV and want the best picture quality, then you have to press on home on your remote, then go to the settings, then go to the inputs, and you will find HDMI format. So set the HDMI port to enhanced mode for 4K HDR support. Now the fifth and the last step is reset your picture settings if it's needed. If you have tried all of these four steps here, and if the problem if you are this experience this resolution problems yet, then reset the picture settings. So you just need to go to the menu on the by tap on the menu button on the remote, then go to the settings, then you will find display or device preferences, then you will find this reset picture settings, and you can just tap on that and confirm and restart your TV. So it will reset the picture settings to the default settings, and you may find that the problem is now solved. So that's how you can just change resolution on the Hisense TV. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.